All right, so what we have here is a standard, just kind of rock chip dent on the front of the hood. And this is on a Jaguar. It's an XF, right?
F-Pace.
F-Pace.
Pace.
Pace, good night. So, here's what happens is everyone's always like, Hudson, why do you have so many tools? So we're gonna look at all those tools. Why do I need so many tools to fix a dent? Well, let's come over here. So my dent is directly underneath this. Well, I've got an access point here, 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 and then so I have to meander my way through this and then around. So that's why I have different tools with different shapes, different sizes, diameters, all that fun stuff. So that's why it's like, well, why do you need so many tools? Because every car is made differently. So this is, we're gonna put this on to kind of get this in place. So we have a nice sturdy hood to work on. So now that's good. So now we just find the right tool to get us there. All right, so try number one, we're gonna try this tool. All right, so see it's got a little hoop there to help us fit into the curvature of that hood, and then this double bend. Now it is an aluminum hood, so I wish I would have a sharper one, but we're gonna go with broad. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see what happens. Can we get to it? It's just out of reach. Let's try a different access point. All right, so now what we're dealing with is I can get on the dent with this, but I don't have enough leverage. So when I go to push on it, my tool is slipping. It's not pushing, it's just slipping. That's not what we want. So this has a much more aggressive, so we're gonna try an aggressive push now. All right, so I can get on this right here, and I think we might have a winner. So the way this tool works, different than this tool, very similar you would think, right? This tool, I'm gonna do more of a twisting motion a little bit. I can push down like this, but with the aggressive bend on this one, my pushes like this are far more effective. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some heat on this so that the metal moves easier in the paint. Since there is a chip in the paint, we don't want that paint to move at all. So we want the paint less brittle, more malleable. Heat, push. Oh. That's good. All right, so we're gonna take this guy, and here is our access point right here. We're gonna come here and slide him in there, and that'll allow us to get up to right there. All right. Now here's the deal. Here's the crazy thing is, if this is a different vehicle, typically this is double, if not triple layered in the front. And so this tool wouldn't work in another vehicle, and I'd have to get something even skinnier, like a weld tail. It's a very thin shaped tool, and shove it between those two pieces of metal. But this works in this scenario. So let's check it out. Find our tool. What we have here now is it's very sharp. So I'm gonna spread it out a little bit so that we can see the bottom. It's already hard to see the bottom of the dent because the paint's missing. So I want to see it even more. So I'm going to spread this dent out so that we can get to the bottom and push up that bottom way easier. So now that we've done that, we're going to switch to a thicker tool. So we're going this guy, a little bit thicker diameter, still very sharp tip. And we're gonna go through a different access point that I had to find in order to get that tool there. So, remember that last time I was like, how I fixed the dents where no one would ever see it, but I see that one little bitty piece, I'm like, no, I have to fix it. Yeah, that's where I'm at again. Same song and dance, where it's like I'm fixing something that's literally not visible without my HD light on here, but yet here I am being nitpicky and fixing this one little bitty thing. Yep. All right, so see how we're able to get that all up now? Now that we had a a tool with a little more oomph to it. Oomph to oomph. So now we're able to get that flat.